Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Keto Fat Burner Capsules. First, understand that these supplements are designed to complement a ketogenic diet, not replace it. They typically contain exogenous ketones, like BHB, which help your body enter and maintain ketosis more efficiently. This can lead to increased energy and enhanced fat utilization. Always read the product label carefully for specific ingredient information and recommended usage. To get the most from your Keto Fat Burner capsules, consistency is key. Ensure your diet strictly adheres to ketogenic principles, focusing on healthy fats and minimal carbohydrates. This synergy helps your body shift into a fat-burning state more effectively. Remember, these capsules are a tool to support your efforts, not a magic solution. Incorporating regular physical activity will further amplify your results. Proper dosage and timing are crucial for optimal results. Most products suggest taking 1 to 2 capsules 1 to 3 times per day. It's often beneficial to take them with a glass of water, either before your main meals or prior to your workout for an energy boost. Always adhere to the specific instructions on your product's label. Never exceed the recommended daily dose to avoid potential side effects. While keto fat burners can be beneficial, it's important to listen to your body. Some individuals might experience mild digestive issues initially, so start with a lower dose if you're sensitive. Always ensure you're purchasing from reputable brands to guarantee product quality and safety. Remember, a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are paramount. For other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.